Wait a minute. You hear that? Hi friends, welcome to Victor's Reality. Today we're going to be unboxing the limited edition Cyberpunk 2077 Xbox One wireless controller. Okay, I wish all controllers had that kind of opening, but let's go ahead with the unboxing here. Wow, look at this. As you can see right away, look how awesome this controller is. Man, all the scuff marks, look, no future. See in the back. Wow. As you can see, textured grips on the handles, 2077 logo right there. There's the logo up there. Now let's look at the triggers, red on the left, gray on the right. Silver, look at the thumbstick. The thumbstick is a nice silver. I've never seen this silver before on the controller. It's really shiny, like metallic. The side is metallic also, as you can see, but the thumbstick is a shiny silver. Looks like metal, looks like aluminum, yeah. Looks really cool. And the black right here, almost matte, not 100% matte, but it's almost, you can see, compared to the silver shiny. See that? And red buttons right here, no future right here. But man, the thumbstick is really silvery. I say silvery, but it has a lot of silver shine to it. Look at it. It's the first time I see this kind of color on an Xbox One controller, especially this kind of shiny silver. But man, look at the detail right here. All the marks, the scuff marks. It looks like it's scraped paint on the silver parts. Same thing here, looks like it's scratched in. And these also, as you can see, it is not painted on. It is like it's laser cut. The no future and these scuff marks right here, they're all laser cut. So that is really cool. I love it when they have this kind of detail on these controllers. It's not just a standard paint job. It is a really dedicated look and make for these controllers. Really, really cool. And a really cool thing on the controller is if you take a picture of that barcode right there, look where it takes you. It takes you to the Cyberpunk website, as you can see here, and it shows all the details of the game and even some screenshots and wallpapers. So that's cool that they included that on the controller itself, as it's a cybernetic future, right? It's a cyberpunk future, and in the future, I'm sure everything will have embedded codes. Here is the unboxing of the Cyberpunk 2077 Xbox One wireless controller. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did find it helpful, please leave a like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the future. And just to quickly compare against my other two Xbox One controllers, the Forza Motorsport 6 Limited Edition and the PUBG Limited Edition, and now the Silverhand Cyberpunk 2077 Xbox One Limited Edition controller. They all are amazing, but I can tell you right now, as you can see, Cyberpunk 2077 just looks cool.